Hi friends, I'm Tyagiraj. Once again welcome to Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. In this session we are going to see how to apply for Tally ERP in 30 days free pack in online Tally Solution site itself. Tally Solution given this offer for non-Tally user who are interested to use Tally application. They can explore by updating real-time business transaction in Tally ERP license package for 30 days. Let's see how to apply in online Tally ERP 30 days license pre-pack. In browser, you can type in the address bar www.tallysolutions.com. Once open the site, the home page will open. The home page, the offer details will be there. You can see there's a left hand side, there is an option called Get This Pack. Once click on it, you can see one more page will open. The registration form you need to fill it. You can see the right hand side registration form is there. There you need to type your name. It may be your name or your organization name, which name you want to register it. Here you need to update valid mobile number and mail ID, which mail ID you want to register under Tally. Similarly, the select partner is currently not required. Click on Get This Pack. Before clicking on Get This Pack, you need to know the reason, because this due to the corona pandemic, they give an offer for 30 days. You can use this opportunity to explore your business accounting in Tally package. Click on this Get This Pack. Once click on Get This Pack, you will get the message. Thank you for applying it. We will be in touch with you shortly. At the same time, the installation file is downloading it. You can see the download status. So once downloaded, you need to run the Tally application. It will ask you to activate the license. So meantime, you will get the mail. In the mail ID, it will contain your Tally serial number and activation key. By using the Tally serial number and key number, you need to activate the license. Once activate the license, you are ready to use the Tally application for accounting your business transaction. So please don't miss this opportunity. This is a limited period offer for 30 days free license package you will get. If you are using manual accounting or if you are using other software, you can grab this opportunity. You can use this Tally license package application. You can update the live business transaction in Tally. Then you come to know, you can able to realize how effectively you can generate that report in Tally. So this is the right time to apply in online. So financial beginning itself, you can able to use computerized accounting in your business. In upcoming session, we are going to see how to install Tally package in your system and how to activate the license. In this session, we have covered how to apply Tally ERP in free license for 30 days in online. I think this is useful for non-Tally user. You may like this video and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel and click on notification bell. Don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you for watching Tally Spotlight knowledge sharing session. Stay tuned. Every day something new to learn.